What is up, boys? I'm back with another trading session. Today I will take some trades with candlestick psychology. So without wasting any time, let's get it started. Okay, it's switched on 2 minutes. I will close this chart. Okay. Okay, I will go with sellers after this candle. Unless I see some rejections and closing this candle here. Otherwise I will... Okay. I'll go with buyers here. Let's go. If this candle was closed here, I would go with sellers, but for now, because we broke this candle, buyers gonna enter, okay? Okay. So this is my first trade. Okay, if this gives me proper entry. Okay, this one also switched on 2 minutes, so okay, if this candle closes here, if this candle breaks this candle, I will go with sellers, but if this candle closes up on this level, I will go with okay, I will go with sellers here. Because there's no enough rejection from buyers. Also, we have major and minor downtrend, and this level is pretty weak because we bounced off this level for one time. Again, sellers entered. Again, buyers entered. Again, sellers entered. It means that sellers are constantly pushing the price. We also have a red-green pattern here which supports the buyers, but I thought the seller's gonna continue going down, but apparently the buyer's entering. So okay, so this is a red-green pattern. If I get enough rejection, I will go with... Okay, I go 2 trades with sellers. So this is a red-green pattern, but this level eventually is gonna break to the downside. Let's see. Okay, we see some buyers activity. That was both winners. I go with buyers for 2 trades here because I see buyers interaction here, and they're gonna push the price to the upside. Let's see the result. Okay, buyers are trying. Okay, that was a nice win. Okay, so we see 2 rejections here. Okay, I can enter on this level if this comes down, but for now it's pretty risky. Okay. Finally, they broke the support area, and the reason why I took this buy trade is because we had a red-green pattern. Okay, red-green, red-green, red-green. So red-green pattern supported this trade, and also we have rejection here. Okay, this is a basically inside bar, and this is the retracement. Okay, something like this. So the buyers would enter here, and yeah, we have this level which previously touched, and this is the third time this level is being touched, and again we see buyers rejection from this level. The candles are frozen. Okay, let me just change the pairs. Okay, we have this level, and market is coming down like this, so it's probably gonna react to this level. Let's see. And also here we have a downtrend, and we have this level. Okay, if this candle closes something. Okay, not for now. This is a strong momentum. I cannot go against the trend. Okay. I will go with sellers on this candle with marginal safety, because we have this level. Okay, and previously we have a gap down. You see that the previous candle closed here, and the next candle had a gap to the downside and started from here and again closed here. Okay, it means that this level is seller's place to enter based on this gap, and also for this candle seller's gonna still be there, so that's my reason to go with sellers here. My trade is those manual time, so it's gonna take time to close this. I hope it doesn't jump up to 1. Okay guys, yeah, that was my last trade. Thank you for watching. If you learned something and if that was useful for you, drop a like for me and hit the subscribe button. We reached the 50 sub, and I'm really happy about that. Thank you for all your supports, and yeah, I will try to do my best to you know, share my experience and knowledge so far, and help people to achieve their goals in terms of trading. Thank you for watching. Peace out.